2024 Toyota gr86, release date, price, specs, pros and cons, features. The 2024 Toyota gr86 is one of the most affordable sports cars, and also it gives a good performance, as well as has a great and impressive exterior and interior design. And now it is likely that it will come for the 2024 model year with some minor updates in its exterior and interior design. However, right now Toyota has not released any official notifications for the next Toyota gr86 2024 whether it will come with a new design or anything else. But we think that Toyota will carry over it for the next model year. But according to some reports, it is likely that the new 2024 Toyota gr86 will have a new wide rear wing. And also it is likely that the next Toyota gr86 will have the same specifications and features as the 2023 Toyota gr86. Because this new gr86 is a part of the second generation of Toyota gr86, which has been revealed recently in November 2020 and is available for sale in 2021 for the 2022 model year. So it is not likely that it will have any major changes in 2024. So if you want to know everything about the next Toyota gr86, then must read this article till the end. Because in this article, we will know everything about this. Like the 2024 Toyota gr86 redesign, release date, price, specifications, pros and cons, interior design, safety, and tech features, and other important information. 2024 Toyota gr86 redesign. Toyota hasn't said anything about whether the next Toyota gr86 2024 will be redesigned or not for the 2024 model year. But what do you think about its redesign? Must tell us below in the comment. However, we think that Toyota will carry over it for the 2024 model year with minor changes. Because the currently available 2023 Toyota gr86 debuted in November 2020 and went on sale in 2021 for the 2022 model year. And last year Toyota has carried over it by adding a new 10th anniversary edition. So we don't expect that Toyota will redesign it for the 2024 model year. It may be that Toyota could refresh it with some new features and tech upgrades. 2024 Toyota gr86 release date. Actually, till now, Toyota has not declared anything about the Toyota gr86 2024. That when it will be available to order or release. But if Toyota will carry over it for 2024, then it is likely that it will be available to order in the summer of 2023 for the 2024 model year. And if Toyota will change anything in it for 2024, then it could be available to order at the end of 2023 for the 2024 model year. However, we will update this article as soon as possible, when Toyota releases anything about the next Toyota gr86 for 2024. 2024 Toyota gr86 pros and cons. Pros: affordable pricing, good ride quality and handling, driver-friendly interior, 6-speed manual and automatic transmission, great power output. Cons: noisy interior. 2024 Toyota gr86 price and trims. The 2023 Toyota gr86 is offered in 3 trims: model base, premium, and 10th anniversary special edition, in which its base trim price starts at $28,400 and goes up to $34,360 for its top 10th anniversary special edition. So it is likely that the next Toyota gr86 could follow the same trim model structure for the 2024 model year. And also its price could start at the same or could be increased a little more. However, below we have given its price for the 2024 model year on the basis of expectation and the 2023 model gr86. Trims price, EST. Base $30,000. Premium $34,000. 10th Anniversary Special Edition $36,000. 2024 Toyota gr86 price. 2024 Toyota gr86 engine, power, performance. According to media reports and expectations, it is likely that the next Toyota gr86 will have the same engine powertrain. And also the current model gives good power output and performance. So we think that Toyota gr86 will come with the same engine powertrain as the 2023 model. And its 2023 model year gr86 comes with a 2.4-liter four-cylinder boxer engine that generates a good power output of 228 HP and 184 lb-ft of torque. And it comes standard with 6-speed manual transmission and a standard rear-wheel drive drivetrain. And you can add an optional 6-speed automatic transmission also with its premium trims. So it is likely that the 2024 Toyota gr86 will come with the same engine powertrain. Because still it gives good power output and performance. If we talk about its performance, the Toyota has claimed that it can accelerate 0 to 60 miles per hour in just only 5.4 seconds. 2024 Toyota gr86 Interior. The interior design of the Toyota gr86 will be the same as the 2023 model year. The 2023 Toyota gr86 has a spacious and luxurious interior, as you can view in its interior images. It comes with a touchscreen infotainment display and driver information display. And one of the most important things is that you will get enough space for the driver and front passenger. More information is not available right now about the next Toyota gr86 for the 2024 model year. So we will come back soon with all the latest information when Toyota will release everything about its interior, exterior, specifications, safety features, and other important information. 2024 Toyota gr86 specs. Trim base. Model 2024. Body style sports car. Engine N/A. Power N/A. Torque N/A. Transmission N/A. Drivetrain N/A. Seating capacity N/A. 0 to 60 miles per hour time N/A. 2024 Toyota gr86 specifications. 2024 Toyota gr86 dimensions. Length N/A. Width N/A. Height N/A. Wheelbase N/A. Ground clearance N/A. Curb weight N/A. Toyota gr86 exterior dimensions. 2024 Toyota gr86 interior dimensions. Headroom, front/rear, N/A. Legroom, front/rear, N/A. Shoulder room, front/rear, N/A. Hip room, front/rear, N/A. Passenger volume N/A. Cargo volume N/A.